In our fast-paced world, every second counts, especially for professionals who are always on the move. Today we're talking about an innovative solution that's changing the game in vehicle maintenance: Extreme Vivid Mobile Auto Glass Services. Imagine you're gearing up for a crucial meeting, and you spot a crack in your windshield. Traditional repair methods would disrupt your day. But with Extreme Vivid Mobile Auto Glass Services, the solution comes to you, at your office, home, or wherever you are, blending seamlessly into your busy life. Time is invaluable. Our mobile services save you the trip to the service center and the long waits. You stay productive while your auto glass needs are taken care of swiftly. Safety is paramount. These services ensure quick repairs, reducing the risk of accidents due to damaged glass, and saving you from driving with impaired visibility. Quality is not compromised. The technicians are equipped with the right tools and expertise to deliver services on par with traditional auto shops, ensuring excellence in every repair or replacement. Don't just take our word for it. See what our customers are saying about us. Copeland Kell says, "Fantastic service. SafeLight said it would take at least a week to replace a shattered windshield, but George was at my house within an hour, and I was back on the road the same day." Talia Baker was amazed by our work. She writes, "I literally called the most possible last minute and they came through. I already had the glass just needed and install. Cleaned up all broken glass. The process was quick, and not an arm and leg for price. If I shall ever be in this unfortunate situation again, I will be going back." These are just a few of our many satisfied customers. Experience the same top-notch service and convenience that has everyone talking. Visit our website to read more reviews and learn how we can help you with your auto glass needs. Extreme Vivid Mobile Auto Glass Services, where quality meets convenience.